Hey there YouTube. Today I'm going to be unboxing and installing Intuit TurboTax Home and Business 2023. Another year goes by, another $75 spent to pay taxes. It's item number 2023004. The box looks a lot like it did last year. I bought this from Costco, which comes with a $10 product credit. You can use that for getting $10 off filing your state taxes, which is one plus over buying it from Amazon. You don't get that $10 credit if you buy it from Amazon. The inside of the package looks pretty much the same. And the back of the box also looks very, very similar. One glaring difference I see compared to last year's is that this says product installation and activation requires an Intuit account and internet connection. Limit one account per license code. Here's last year's version, and you'll see that it says nothing about an Intuit account here. So I am already a little nervous. Let's go ahead and peel her open. I think the same thing happened last year. That is satisfying. And we pull out the disc. Welcome to TurboTax. This is your license code. I'm going to go ahead and edit that out. Yeah, and the language has changed here too. It says install and activate TurboTax with your license code and Intuit account. So let's see how much personal information they need. And it does look like they also offer that 60-day money-back guarantee. And here's what the disc looks like. Pretty similar to last year. Version 23. And here's the steps for Let's Get Started. You can see that they did highlight the new step of signing into your Intuit account. And you need to do that for both the download and the CD. Alright, let's throw the disc in. This will probably be the last year I buy a disc, since Intuit has went full you are the product, requiring an account. Here we go. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and sign our life away here. Wow. Alright, update automatically. Yeah, don't count me in. And install. Okay, here we go. Launch TurboTax. Hey, it's actually launching the program when you press launch. So that's an improvement. Alright, we're going to need some updates. Let's go ahead and do that. Alright, I'm going to hit continue using TurboTax. Maybe now it won't launch it. This has never worked properly in all the years I've used TurboTax. So, continue. And I see this year's release is no different. Just to show you the specs on this computer, it's not underpowered by any means. TurboTax did not relaunch itself, so, as is tradition, let's go ahead and launch it again. Alright, this is new. So this says that your TurboTax license code will be saved to your Intuit account. And the way it's worded, it sounds like your tax documents information will not be saved to the cloud. I'm not 100% sure that's going to be true, and I will test it in a later video. Because once you give your information away, you can never really know what they're doing with it. Alright, I need to create an account. That's easy enough. It doesn't say how long the password... Okay, so the password length cannot exceed 32 characters because somehow password hashes take more space when they're longer. That's concerning. I bet they're storing those in plain text. Let's go ahead and give them a nice 32 character password. We'll see how it handles that. Go ahead and enter my personal information here and edit it out. It says that it does not require a phone number, so I'm not going to include a phone number and see what type of tragedy that causes. We strongly recommend adding a phone number. This will help verify your account and keep it safe. I don't think I will. Let's go ahead and confirm that password. And we'll just click Create Account. Okay, it is now asking for our license code. I'm going to have to do a lot of editing on this screen. We added the license to your account. Excellent. Let's get started. Alright, this looks like the TurboTax I know. We can't delete my email. So, let's click continue. Oh, I can change my contact preferences here. That's going to open up a web browser. Okay. Can't do it in the app. Well, let's click continue. You've not filled out the mandatory fields. Do you wish to continue without registering? Yes. Alright, this looks like every other TurboTax I've used. Go ahead and click Begin. Start an individual tax return. Alright, so let's go ahead and transfer my return into this year's tax file and see if it asks me to upload something. Alright, and so far TurboTax acts just like it has in the years past. We'll see what kind of information they ask for when I actually go to e-file. Overall, that was pretty painless, other than the limitations on password length. And here's the SHA-256 hashes, in case you believe you may be a victim of a supply chain attack. So it's always helpful to know your hashes. Thanks for watching.